FTP program. Today's chief guest is Sri Marihandan. He is a senior Unity developer at Casoft Global Solutions. I welcome you, sir. You kindly take over the session.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Good morning, all. Today we have to going practical session with HMDs. HMDs mean this is head-mounted devices for Oculus and HTC Vive for virtual reality. Now I share my screen to access. You can view the devices. Um, First, we are going to see what is VR. VR means it's a virtual reality. Virtual reality is the use of computer technology to create simulated environment. Unlike traditional user interface with VR places the user inside an experience instead of viewing a screen in front of them. Users are immersed and able to interact with 3D worlds. There are a lot of development toolkits in VR. The basic development toolkits are Oculus SDK, Steam VR, Google VR, and OpenVR. This is VR developed in our company. In VR devices listed Oculus Rift S, and HTC Vive, Google Daydream, Google Cardboard. These are the in marketing place devices used for virtual reality. Uh, Now we can going to see how connect HMD devices and system. First, we need to access the Oculus device. We need to install Oculus Home. This is SDK provided by Oculus development team. We need to first install and sign up with any Gmail account or Facebook account. This is store for download VR applications. This is Oculus Dream Store, and also we can create application and launching own system. This is library for downloaded applications. These are the applications we already download and locally maintained. Device connection. Device connection. This is the head-mounted device HMD. These have one Rift HMD device and two sensors. The sensors to access our uh, controller to maintain the movement and up and down and lot of things in the sensor access. This controller name is left touch and right touch. These are centrally we are used in our different account. This is full of Oculus settings. Now going to HTC Vive settings. HTC Vive we used Steam VR for settings. Steam VR is used for multiple purpose HMD devices. We can use Oculus device only used with Oculus Home only. But Steam VR we can access multiple devices like HTC Vive, Google Daydream, and Oculus devices also. But we cannot use Oculus SDK. HTC Vive we cannot use in this Oculus device, Oculus SDK. So we can use Steam VR with Oculus devices and HTC Vive devices. These also have a different libraries, communities, and our download lists are separated here. Now going to start a simple demo with my project. Steve, we are searching that what are the devices are connected in my system, and once it's got connected, we can run the sample demo applications. Now I go through my our company's sample demo application. This is a purpose was used for marketing application.
Hello.
It's now running. This is our marketing application. In my hand, I have two controllers. This is left controller. This is right controller. This is for access to multiple demo with our applications for client purpose. Now I am moving my controller with joystick and also rotate. And I can grab the any object of here with my controller. This is trigger functionality. Now I just unlock the car and open the doors and etc. This is Model Y car system. We can multiple controllers and access here. This is the HMD display devices. This is full vehicle architecture for simple demo. This is car electrical system. We can enable disable multiple components here.
And also we fetch some details in the database. This is what type of part and what information needed. Just click it, information will load it. This is how charging type working. This is for just some marketing purpose we used in our company. Now I am running SteamVR application. This is another one marketing application. Same controller, but we have SteamVR multiple purpose of user. Now controller has changed and a lot of things changed in inside. We have hand controller and a hand menu. This is model selection. This is environment change. This is one of the analysis. We have cut section for simple how to these model cars are located in different way and different places. This is purpose for car modeling architecture and used to engineer and other members. This is material distribution. What type of materials used in every component and every places. And also we have added some dimensions of car overall width and tire radius, car order. And also we have download applications in store, and we can store it in locally. Now I run my downloader applications. This is for our personal purpose, and we can use it for personally. This is lab application built by SteamVR. This is have multiple samples around here. This have a teleport option to move one location to other location.
Sir, excuse me, sir. Manikandan, sir.
Yes, tell me, ma'am.
Sir, I kindly request you to please give an information on the controls also, sir, because participants might not be aware on the menu items, what you're selecting, etc. It is not that much viewable also. So I kindly request you to give instructions on how to open this particular control. I mean, what are the menus you are selecting, etc., sir?
Okay. This is a main menu. We are in main menu.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Then we select the level to move one level to another level. Controller in my hand, but we can show in controller. We cannot enable main controller in system. Now a controller grab the part in information. just writing here. We can move here to next level. Just to pull this part, we can move another level. Now I have control. This is the controller. Here we can grab some parts and move here. Was just simple game developed by SteamVR. This is our controller. In Oculus, we have controller example. This is the grip button. This is skews trigger button. This is select the menu in different type of menus and we can pull the button, it start triggering. This is A and B button. This is for up and down on any other trigger, we can use it. This is this is thumbstick for movement and left and right rotation.
This is Dhanraj. Could you hear audio from the system? Pavitra, are you there? Can you hear me?
Sir, yes, sir, but your voice is very low, sir.
No, we are not speaking. Actually, we are showing a demo from the system. The system voice is there. Could you hear the system voice?
Sir, no, sir. Actually, system voice was not audible, sir.
It's okay. Relax.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Relax. Now we are going to see how to use HMD using the. Let me explain the game. Okay, just a minute. It's loading. So, as Manikandan X already explained about the future of Oculus, how to connect the device HMD and how to wear the touch controls and all those things, features Manikandan already explained. I hope. Right now, I'm in virtual room. Can you see the virtual room? Actually, I'm not able to see the outer world. Right now, I'm seeing only virtual world. What are I'm seeing in the virtual world? The same thing you are watching in your monitor. Okay. So see, in my touch control, there are so many buttons like to hold and point out. There are so many buttons. So let me go through this game, how it's working in virtual reality. Actually, this practical section, if you are aware about the device, you can make it out. Kindly visualize how I am wearing this device. Okay, if you want, I can switch on the camera and I can show it. Just a minute, I'm switch on the camera, so you can easily make it out.
Sir, I am Sendil Kumar from IITT. I have one doubt, sir. Whether the same software used for car modeling and also for gaming or all those things, sir, different versions, sir.
Yeah, this software you can use it for actually this yesterday's session. I hope you have attended correct. This software is developed from Unity game engine. This game engine you can use it for virtual reality, augmented reality, and MR. So you can use it any field and any purpose.
This one Unity 3D and Cornea,
Yeah.
sir. What about Cornea?
Cornea is our product. It's developed for our company. So
Okay.
it's our product. It's developed in Unity. It's a virtual reality device. I hope you can see my video. This is
okay. Cornea is a product developed by using Unity 3D software.
yes, correct, exactly.
That is for your purpose only. The
Yeah.
Cornea. For
Yes,
automobile.
yes,
The automobile. Yeah.
yes, correct. So the device will be like this. See, I am not able to
Sir,
see
one
anything.
second, sir.
Yes.
Sir, kindly, sir, your video is shown only the thumbnail, sir. I kindly request you to stop sharing the screen so that your video can be occupied the full screen, sir.
No, actually, I'm going to show here. I'm going to show. I want to show the screen. I don't want to show
Okay, sir.
my video.
Fine.
So I want to
Okay.
show how the device it will be, the touch
Okay,
control and HMD, the sensor, how it will be. Just I want to show that. So the video is not recorded. Only the screen sharing is required.
Fine. We can understand, sir. Thank you, sir. Please
Yeah.
continue, sir.
Now we can stop the video. Stop the video. Okay. As shown in the video. Can you see my hand? So as like a real world, you can use your hand in the real world. See. Even you can walk around the room. See, right now I'm walking inside the room and watching the robot. I think I have missed the robot. It's asking me to shake the hand. I'm just saying hi. As soon as I say hi, the robot's coming near to me. Actually, I'm in virtual world. Again, it's asking me to say hi. I hope he's trying to tell something about me. It's loading.
Sir, can you please increase the system volume, sir?
Yeah, just a minute. Yeah, now the volume has increased.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Now I'm collecting the floppy disk. So he's asking me to insert in the computer. So I'm putting the floppy disk inside the computer. It's a 3D printer. It's a printing. Oh, it's a printing butterfly. Okay. It's asked me to show one index finger. As soon as I show the index finger, the butterfly sat on my finger. Can you see that?
Yes, sir. It is visible, sir.
Yeah. It's giving another floppy disk. Let me try. What is the surprise is there? It's printing another 3D model. It's take me to the childhood. See, you can imagine now I'm in virtual world. You can use this Unity software for Unity or Unreal software in any. Just a minute. You can use it for any industry. You can use it for any industry like automobile, gaming industry, or cine field. You can just you have to imagine. For example, you are going to construct any new building, hospital, or your individual home or college. You can build the application in Unity. Then you can walk through without physical world. You can walk through inside the building or your college. So it will be very useful how the construction will be there. So just you imagine yourself, then you can apply this application to any industry. Is giving me another floppy disk. See, now you can see that I am interacting as like a real world. Correct. Say I'm collecting the toys, hand movement, leg movement, head movement. Okay, let me explain how this HMD is working. It has a own sensor, gyroscope sensor, and in front of me there is a proximity sensor. using that sensor, it's detecting where I'm and how I'm standing. For example, if I am bent, if I see I'm sitting on the ground in my office, see, even in the room it's displaying as a sitting because it's reading the sensor, then it's displaying as it is. Once if you use this device more than 10 minutes, then you will feel that you are in the real world. So you may forget about the real world. It says boy. Let me load next example. This is the Oculus library. So suppose if you are buying this device, you have to install Oculus software. I hope Manikandan already explained this about this Oculus software. So once you install this software, this is connectivity and all already you know about, correct? Then library. This library is a game. What are the game you have installed and what are the application you have used recently? So all the games and application will be displayed here. Suppose if you want to use any new game or application, you can chart as like Google Play Store. Then you can go and search and you can find out the new games and you can use it. So let us try new game and let me show you how to install and how to use it. Go to search. This is as like similar to Google Play Store only, so don't worry about that. It's not much complicated. You can sort out. You can sort out like price, size, and release date. So the price right now, let us go with the free one. Right now we are using WhatsApp, Facebook, another social network to do the charting purpose. But once you can use this device and you can chat virtually with your friends and your family. You can see them in virtually. See, you can capture the 360-degree video, then you can watch that video right now. See, what you have to do is you have to give start, but you have to press the start button. Just a minute, it's loading. See, as I said, you can use it for as an application, interactive application. You can watch 3D video. You can right now the meetings and all it's happening in video conferencing. But in future you can do the meeting in virtually. Your friends or your colleague, your family members will be do the meeting in virtually. You can meet them in virtual reality. I think another couple of years you can do that. Right now you are chatting with your friend on Facebook or WhatsApp. In future you may chat in virtually. I'm standing on top of the hill. I'm seeing the good natural.
According to legend, a bride was walking the cliff road en route to the wedding. She was fleeing. She jumped.
Whatever application you are going to use, it will give some basic instruction. Just follow the
She
instruction.
built a red stone church in convent where she landed in the canyon, the ruins of which can still be seen today. The monastery developed rapidly between the 9th and 13th centuries, and at one point had over 1,000 people living and studying in its grounds. Most of the buildings date back to this period, including the university building, active until the 20th century. Although the monastery was destroyed by centuries.
This device, even you can use it for educational purpose, like how the solar system works, how human body works. There are a lot of sample examples there in the library. So just you can download or you can watch. Yes, for example, in my childhood, when I study about the chemistry or physics, any geology subject, I couldn't imagine what is the solar system, how it's work. It's just a text, so it's a very difficult to imagine and visualize. But nowadays, the children easily can understand how the solar system works. You can stand in front of the solar system; it will rotate around you, so you can watch. So it is easy to understand everything. This is just an example. You can imagine, for example, if you are in mechanical engineer, you can imagine how the engine works. For example, you in the real time you can't check, you can go into the engine and you can't check how engine is working, because once you open the engine you can't visualize, you can't feel the how engine works. But in virtual world you can go inside the engine, how you can feel that how the engine works. And this is I'm telling this so many examples, but you can apply those example in your field also. Suppose if you are electrical field or mechanical or computer engineer or gaming industry, film industry, any industry, you can use. This is the future of future. Even you can use it for tourism. You don't need to visit Taj Mahal or Paris. You install this application, you can walk around for example, in Google Street View, you can see only the 3D view on the computer. So it's like you are watching the 3D movie. But in this device, you are standing on the field. So you can look up the sky. So it's a 360. So I'm looking down. It's look like I feel that I'm standing in the fort. Since I'm explaining this, I feel that I'm in the meeting. Otherwise, I may feel that I'm in the right place. Let me show you the solar system. So it will be very good. Let me show you the solar system. So easily you can imagine. So right now you know that how to use this Oculus device and library system and this application. Okay, let me show you the moon landing. That's downloading and installing. I think it's a huge, it's a 800 MB file. Let me show you. So all applications are, you have to pay. This is Steam library. The previous one, what we have seen is Oculus library. It's developed now. It comes under the Facebook. Facebook brought the Oculus. This is Steam. They're using for HTC Vive. There are so many devices, VR devices like Oculus, HTC Vive, Magic Leap for XR, and Microsoft HoloLens for even XR. Even you can use Google Cardboard in your mobile. But even Google Cardboard and other VR box is just basic headset. We recommend to use any AAA game or any industrial. We recommend that Oculus and HTC Vive. This is the both are the competitor. You can use either one. But Oculus device it won't support China country, but it will support others region. But the HTC also it will be, support all other region. Just go through these stores and you can feel how even in future you can develop this kind of game yourself, or you may interact with your friend using this device. Who knows, in future even the students and the teachers, they will attend the class or seminars using this device. Right now I'm only wearing the device. In future you guys and everybody will be wearing the device. We will interact the session in the using virtual reality. I can walk around you, I can speak in virtually. So just imagine, this is a imagination field. Just whatever I'm explaining, just imagine, put your imagination yourself and just imagine how it will be there in future. You might have seen so many movies like virtual world. Now it comes under the real. Are looking, the size is too big. It's downloading taking long time. Let me open some more example from my system. Just a minute. I'll open the application from my system. Let me give some example. See, one guy has developed in a small game. As soon as they released this Oculus device, that guy has developed a very small game. He has developed it within 1 month. Then he released in the store he has earned even $1 million. Just one guy has developed in 1 month. He spent just 1 month. Then the game is hit in the market. He earned more than millions. So if you are interested in this field, even you can try. The thing is, the device cost comes around 40,000, and whatever we are using, Alienware, the hardware itself cost come around 2 lakhs. So I'm going to play the game. It's an easy mode.
Can you enlarge the full screen, sir?
Sorry?
Full screen mode.
Full screen it's not supporting. See, the walls comes, whenever the walls comes, I have to move myself. So I have to move my body. I have to sit and stand, and I'm hitting that box. See, the wall comes on left side. So if I touch, I'm out. See, in the mobile game, what you have to do is you have to play with your finger. Just you have to use your eyes and finger, correct? But in virtual reality, you have to use entire body. Like you have to use all your 5 senses, like touching, moving. See, I'm using my hand, leg, head. So my whole body is moving right now. See, this is developed from CareSoft, this application, whatever I'm opening right now. It's loading. Just a minute, it's loading. It's loading. See, I'm in This is developed in-house in CareSoft, Pollachi. So right now I'm going to explore about the e-tron. I think most of them know about the e-tron vehicle. So if you want to consider that I'm a mechanical engineer. I want to explore about the cars. What we have to do, we have to go to the real shop. Then we have to tear down the complete car. Then only we can understand this. But right now you can explore anything. For example, if you want to pull up the car, see, I'm lifting the car. I'm going inside. How the suspension is mounted on the wheel. So how the brakes is mounted. Consider that I am a mechanical engineer. I want to study about the car. So you can use this application. Now I want to see only inside of the part. So you can use, you see, I'm clicking the transparency. It goes to transparency mode. Suppose if you want to see only chassis system, see the complete car. Now I'm watching only the chassis, how the routed, where the wheels comes. So suppose if I want to see only the brakes and steering, see, even you can watch in transparency mode. See, you can study. As I said that you can use in any industry, like traveling industry or mechanical industry, medical. Suppose if you want to do operation, the doctor want to test the operation. For example, I'm the doctor, I can do the operation in virtually. I mean, this is for training purpose, not virtually you can't do the operation. What I'm telling is you can do, you can take the training, how you have to do the operations. For example, you are the welding engineer. What you have to do is you need the welding tools and everything. While taking the welding, that bit and everything, it will be waste. Correct. You have to take almost 10 bit it's go to waste when you are taking the training. But when you are taking the training in virtually, you can do the welding and you can check yourself. Once your training is passed, then you can go to for the real testing. Even you can check the how the electrical flowed. See, suppose if I want to explore the E-drive, see, I'm exploring E-drive. I want to check how it's mounting. See, like I'm grabbing the particular part, so I can assemble myself. How the rotor is assembled with stator, so I can check here what is the gap. So using this device, you can do anything. This is the future. This is the future. Even entertainment or family or charting and any kind of training. So you traveling, you can use it. In future, you no need to go visit Paris or Taj Mahal or anywhere. You can sit in your home. You can walk in Paris. This is the future. So this is a question session. If you have any question, please ask me.
So there is a question in the chat box. Do we need CAD model of car?
Yes, yeah, we need a CAD model. See, what we have to do is using CAD software like Creo or CATIA. You have to create that model. Directly, you can't bring that CAD model inside the Unity. What you have to do is you have to do the optimization using 3D software like Maya, 3ds Max. You have to do the optimization. Then you have to do the texturing. Then you have to give the real lighting. Let me show you once rendering output. See, everybody knows that how the CAD will be there. CAD is nothing, just a solid colors, but here you can feel that real car, correct? The paint of the car, wheel, the shadow and lighting. So you can feel that. So what you have to do is you have to convert the CAD model into lightweight model. Then you have to bring into the Unity software. Then you can play around that. Yes, ma'am. Next question.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. Any more questions from the participants? Dear participants, you're welcome for the questions. Or you may kindly use the chat box to post your questions.
Yes, I'm reading chat box. Please shoot your question. Since this is a demo session, this is not any theoretical session. If it is theoretical session, we can show the PPT or we can show the video. But this is we are going to explore the about the device. So once you are there in the device, you can explore. But the next, yeah, I got a new question.
Yes, sir.
What are the various? Could you please read the question? I'm not able to.
What are the various platforms to know the techniques deeply? Is there any, platform to study about these techniques, sir?
Yes, yes. See, it's like this is like a film industry. Suppose if you are if you are developing, I mean, you are directing any film. What are the skill set you require? You need a musical director, film script writer, film singer, lightman. So there are so many fields in the film industry. Like that, you need to you to develop this. There are a lot of skill set required, like a 3D modeler, artist, lighting artist, texture artist, optimization artist, then any programming language. Right now we are using C#. So we are the programmers. We are using our skill set only for the programming. But to execute this project, we need different kind of skill set. Even we required artists like hand artist, and the video editing also it's required.
Okay, sir. Another question, sir. How to use in television media?
I'm not getting the question. What is television media?
Sir, actually, whether these type of software can be used in media, like some applications related to media, sir.
For example, in right now you can see that YouTube 360 video, correct? In YouTube 360 video, you can watch only 360 video on your mobile. You can rotate the video and you can watch, but you can't feel that you are in inside the virtual virtual video. But once you use this device, even future you can use that. For example, Unity has released one movie like Adam. So how will you watch the movie? We used to go to theater or we used to go watch in our television. But in this movie, you can define, you can stand inside the movie. You can stand next to a hero, or you can stand next to villain. You can watch that video. You can watch that in the you can watch the movie in many times. In normal movie you can watch only one time because it shows only one camera. But this virtual television movie, you can go you can, for example, imagine that you are watching the Bahubali movie. In Bahubali you are watching the movie in screen. But suppose if you are watching the Bahubali movie using the virtual reality, you can go and stand on the field. So the soldiers are running around you. You can watch everything. So you can watch many times. You like that. It will be even normal movie. You can't interact. There is no interact. Interact is nothing but keyboard, mouse. There is no interact. But in virtual, you can interact with movie character. This is the future. Trust me, this is the future. This kind of future it will be there. Already is there, but right now we are not using. But in future, everybody will be used. The movie it will become like this only.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Participants, any more questions? Okay, sir. If there is no more questions, we shall wind up the session. I take this opportunity to thank today's resource persons, Sri Dhanraj sir and Sri Manikandan sir from CAS of Global Solutions for their excellent session on their practical experience with HMD. Your demo with all your projects were much interesting, sir, and have led us to a virtual world itself. Thank you very much. Thank you for your valuable time spending for us, sir. Thank you very much.
Yeah, thank you so much, and thank you so much to everyone. In future, you will be in virtual world. Trust me. Thank you so much.
Okay, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you for your input, sir. I request the participants, you can now leave the session and join for the next session at 12 p.m. Thank you.